tight as fuck.
What are you doing?
Exhaust off.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's bolts tight.
So you're gonna keep the Y pipe on, but I stripped one of the nuts. So what we're gonna do instead, just take this Y pipe off. I have a spare Y pipe, so yeah, spare Y pipe is going on, and then we got a new mid pipe and a new exit. But I'm gonna let you guys take a guess in the comments down below. Let me know what exhaust do you guys think I got. I'm gonna give you a hint though. It's titanium. All right, so we're gonna get this Y pipe off, and then I'll pick up the camera in a second.
Borrow your Z for the entire day.
Oh, bruh, what the? Not on my brand new shirt, Jason.
My hand was.
Dude.
My fault, dog.
Hi, Poppy.
Alright, I think I'll be
All over my arm and my
Really?
shirt, bro.
Me?
Brand new shirt from Walmart, $12.
Holy shit.
No, I'm at the shop, like I told you.
Fuck, it's like dripping.
All right. Yep. Gotta go. Louis' cups starting to go bad.
Are they?
One of them's like loose now.
That's okay.
I got this.
Fuck, Jason. I'm all slimy.
Why is this thing heavy as fuck?
It is.
This is heavier than my OEM shit now.
Because it's OEM Plus, that's why.
No, it's still OEM. Don't fool yourself, dude. You bought an OEM exhaust to replace your OEM exhaust.
I did. And it did change the tone a little bit. Just a smidge.
I beg to differ.
Still couldn't hear it.
Yeah, either way, it's still quiet.
Just grab the fucking 10 mil, dude.
It's like dripping down.
Nah, it's all you, Louis.
What? Alright, you have to document.
I don't want my hands.
Alright.
You're actually just gonna leave me hanging like this. Fuck you.
I got you, Cameron. I'm gonna put this facing up. I think that's the angle. Oh, I need this right here. Need to like put it in there. Oh, that's this one's a bitch. Oh, fuck. All right. So
Grab it.
it's grabbed. Ah. Oh, it came off. That's good. This one. So, update. We finally got my OEM exhaust off, and if you guys were asking or wondering, this is a Nismo S-Tune muffler, and that is a stock HR mid pipe and a stock HR Y pipe. So unfortunately, we messed the Y pipe up, so I'm gonna go back to my DE Y pipe, which is just back there. I'll probably end up like upgrading my Y pipe in the future, so I don't really care, and I got a spare anyways. But here she is. Open cats. Pretty cool. Would start the car, but we're kind of on a time crunch because we're trying to get everything ready for the car meet. So yeah, right now we're gonna get the exhaust out the car. I'll go ahead and show you guys the exhaust, and then we're gonna slap it in. So super stoked. What are they doing? Oh my god.
Bring it forward. Alright, stop. I swear to God, you fucking turn your car.
So yeah.
Drop it.
Don't drop it. It'll dent. Yeah, you can get the other base. But just like careful because the wrapping's loose, so it might, yeah. Got the exhaust. Exhaust secured. Oh my god!
Yeah, that one's broken. I'm the one who broke it.
Dude, I think... Whoa, dude, that thing like straight snapped.
Yeah, it's been broken.
Alright, I'll show you guys the exhaust when we get it out. Alright guys, sorry this isn't the best presentation, but we're gonna work with what we got. I'll go ahead and reveal the exhaust to you without dropping anything. Just gonna unravel it very slowly. Ta-da! You guys already know what this is. Needs no introduction. Put it in the light. We got a Tomei. Oh shit, it's like rolling. There we go. But yeah, I gave into the hype. I'm a Z boy, so what's a Z without a Tomei? Got the basic bitch exhaust, but I got a good deal on it. Brand new, shipped in like 5 days. It's not the titanium exhaust I wanted, but it's the one I settled for. That would suck. But yeah, I'm stoked, guys. We're going to slap this on the car. Probably in the next clip, we're going to be mounting it all up. Probably we'll fire the car up pretty soon, within like 20 minutes or so. So I'll see you guys then. Super stoked.
Fucking pour that shit. You're had like $4 grand. It is trumpeting, but it's I want to sell it immediately. I'll trade you my I'll trade you 2, son. Bring that bitch up to 6. Let's get the pops. Man, that wasn't 6. Go. Red. We need to get it closer to red. There we go. That's a Tomei.
Chris. Are they coming to you? I heard somebody. Dude, I feel like I'm a speed racer now. I feel like I can go like... Dude, that's like epitome of VQ owner right there. But it sounds good. Oh, dude, that sounds so good. Dude, it's perfect. Honestly, guys, if you want a good sounding exhaust, but not to like be obnoxious, just go stock headers, stock Y pipe, and then just go single exit Tomei. And yeah, it's a little raspy because it's titanium, but it's like the perfect tone. It's not like obnoxious. You're not going to be one of those guys that like you fly by and everybody like covers their ears. It sounds good, and if you like the way that VQs sound, then you know Tomei's the way to go. So
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.